Congratulations on completing this important first step. You've begun a journey of leadership, one that's about personal growth, not just work. Think back to when you started, curious, eager to learn, and maybe a little uncertain. Now you have new tools and a deeper understanding of what it means to lead. Leadership isn't about titles, it's about your actions and choices. You've taken time to understand yourself, building a strong foundation for your future. Through activities, sharing stories, and practicing new skills, you've discovered your potential to influence others. Hold on to these experiences. They'll give you confidence when challenges arise. Your willingness to learn is your greatest strength as you step into leadership. The world is always changing and good leaders keep learning. You've invested in yourself, and that's the best investment you can make. Your journey has given you a map to guide your career. Trust yourself and the process. You're ready for what comes next. Remember, leadership is a daily path, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and stay open to growth. The adventure is just beginning. Carry this spirit of learning forward. Your leadership story is only starting to unfold. Be proud of your commitment. Stay curious, stay brave. The next chapter is yours to write. In this course, we explored the inner-out leadership model. True leadership starts from within, with your values, beliefs, and self-awareness. Before leading others, you must first lead yourself. Your inner foundation, your character and personal strength, supports everything you do. When you know yourself, you lead authentically and earn trust. This inner work takes honesty and courage, but it's essential. Once your foundation is strong, you can focus on how you interact with others. Your outer leadership, how you communicate, build relationships, and guide your team, reflects your inner self. The two are connected. One cannot exist without the other. The inner-out model gives you a clear path. Start with you, then connect with others. Leadership isn't about pretending, it's about being your best self. This approach makes leadership purposeful and real. As you practice, leading from within helps you make a true impact. Keep building your inner foundation. Let it guide your actions every day. Lead with purpose and heart. That's how you make a difference. Let's focus on the key inner traits of self-leadership. Self-awareness, knowing your strengths, weaknesses, and values, is the foundation. Business acumen means understanding your company and how your work matters. Strategic thinking lets you see the big picture and plan for the future. Communication is about sharing ideas clearly and listening deeply. Passion brings energy and inspires those around you. Accountability means taking responsibility and building trust. Continuous learning keeps you sharp and adaptable. These traits form your inner compass. They help you lead yourself before leading others. Practice self-reflection regularly. Stay curious and open to feedback. Use your strengths and work on your growth areas. Let your passion drive you. Be reliable and keep your promises. Show your team that learning never stops. These inner traits are your foundation for success. Build on them every day. That's the mark of a true leader. Now let's look at the outer traits of leadership, how you connect and guide others. Building relationships is key. Get to know your colleagues and understand their goals. Strong relationships make teamwork effective. Change management is about helping your team navigate transitions with support and clarity. Empathy means understanding and sharing others' feelings, creating a safe environment. Conflict management isn't about avoiding disagreements, but resolving them constructively. Inclusion ensures everyone feels valued and heard, making your team stronger. Trust is the glue that holds teams together. Build it by being honest and reliable. Leadership is a daily practice. Lead with heart and purpose. Use the skills you've learned to guide your team. Ask for feedback. It helps you grow. Stay committed to your development and be kind to yourself and others. You're ready to start your leadership journey. Remember, every day is a chance to lead. Be open, be fair, and be human. Your team will follow your example. Go forward with confidence. You have what it takes to succeed. The journey starts now.